Hello everyone, this is Amber from Listen Packaging. We are specializing in mold packaging designing and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you a new packaging. It is produced by wet pressing process and made from A4 paper material. One side has a mesh texture and the other side is smoother. You can see. We use all biodegradable materials, which can completely evaporate and degrade within 3 months. Because our paper tray is zero pollution, zero emission, and the wastewater can be reused. Let's take a look at the tray, which has a lot of growth and protrusion in the base and fold at the edge to protect the products better. We design each paper tray simple so the groove fit perfectly. Let me assemble it. As you can see, the groove fit perfectly. We can customize any logo for you, just like this one and this one. If you are interested in this product and you have a request about it, just feel free to contact us. We are offering the free survey and free sampling. Thank you.